Hey there, today in the shop we've got a Pittsburgh Automotive 1,000-pound engine support bar. You can pick this up from Harbor Freight for $79.99. I got it at my local store for $67.38 with one of those 20% off coupons. You typically use one of these tools for any time you're dropping a subframe underneath an engine so it doesn't fall and crush you, so that's pretty cool. Competitive products. Schwaben's got one for around 150 bucks. It's nearly identical to it except it's silver and also looks pretty cool. They have a deluxe one for $295. I'm not exactly sure what makes it so deluxe, and Snap-on Bluepoint used to have one for around 400 bucks. So today we're going to unbox it, we're going to put it together, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. So the accessories included in this, it comes with, again, the engine support bar, but it also comes with all the hardware you need, and it comes with the chains that you'll need to support, I don't know, an engine or your transmission or whatever you support with this thing, so that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, it also comes with a 9-day warranty. Overall, it weighs about 30 to 40 pounds, and I think that's all I really got to say about this, so why don't we go ahead and get to opening this thing. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and undo this. This is my first unboxing video. Please leave a comment below if I'm doing it wrong or right. Tell me what you really like, YouTube. The manual. Let's just make it look like that. Alright, so we've got the bar, we've got the load level and handle things, we've got the engine support bracket things with the cushioned, I think the website said foam, but these are rubber. Well, either way, that should prevent damage to the paint. And then this mystery box of hardware. So let's take a look here. And it's got that Harbor Freight Chinesium smell. Some people like that, some people don't. I'm going to be very thorough with this unboxing. There's that chain. All right. I need those instructions actually. Alright, and there you have it. This is the Pittsburgh 1,000-pound engine support bar. So that wasn't too bad. I don't know, that went together in less than 10 minutes or so. And this is the adjustable piece, so depending on the width of your vehicle, you can move either support bar. There you go. Obviously, your chain will hook to these different things right here. Overall, I think the powder coating is pretty decent. The support braces seem to be pretty strong. The beam bar itself seems to be pretty, I don't know, pretty sturdy. I would trust it to support the 1,000-pound load. So let's see how it actually works out. All right, so this is a Pittsburgh Automotive tool installed on the car. Overall, I feel like this is a pretty sturdy tool. I'm impressed with the quality. Like I said, everything seems to be pretty solidly built. And yeah, so worth 79 bucks? I think so, but you can be the judge if you get one yourself. All right, so there you have it, the 1,000-pound Pittsburgh Automotive engine support bar. As I mentioned earlier, this is my very first tool review unboxing video. I hope you liked it. Please leave any comments in the description below. I'm trying to get better at these. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you later.